Alright, so I just got my Bryant air conditioner starting up. This is gonna be a springtime startup shutdown. This is gonna be a morning startup shutdown of my Bryant air conditioner. I'm not doing spring and / spring startup shutdown. Fan motor. It's all cold and sweaty. There's the neighbor's door. That's all. It needs to be cleaned. In 2 weeks I'm gonna clean that. So yeah, anyways, here it is running in the morning. And I'll name the title Spring Startup Shutdown rather than Morning Startup Shutdown, because I've gotten another Morning Startup Shutdown in the past. So this is just gonna be I'm gonna just call it Spring Startup Shutdown. Anyways, yeah, here it is running. Yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out. Let's get the shutdown now.